Welcome to the 3CX Quick Start Guide presented by Voxtelesys. In this video, we'll be demonstrating how to set up the 3CX mobile app. Before you complete any of the following steps, contact Voxtelesys support to get your web client set up if you haven't already. The support phone number is 701-929-9797, and the support email is support@voxtelesys.com. To begin, download the 3CX mobile app on your iOS or Android device. In this video, we'll be demonstrating the mobile app on an iOS device. Navigate to the App Store or Google Play Store on your mobile device. In the search bar, type in 3CX and download it. From your desktop, click on the 3CX welcome email. If you do not have a welcome email, please reach out to your system administrator to get a new welcome email. Scan the QR code found in the welcome email. To do so, open the 3CX app on your mobile device. It should automatically ask you to scan a QR code. If it does not, click on the three bars in the top left corner of the screen and click on Scan QR Code. Alternatively, you can access the QR code from the web client. From the sidebar, click on the three dots icon and click on Settings. Then click on the Scan QR Code tab. You can also access your QR code from the QR code icon in the top right corner of your 3CX web client. Congratulations! You've successfully set up your 3CX mobile app. You're now able to make some calls. Check back for more helpful guides as we're continually adding new content.